gonna do a video of electric scooter. And hi guys, in today's video we're gonna be doing a video of electric scooter, red motorcycle thing, and e-bike. But that doesn't have brakes. The brakes are no good.
He literally fell.
Alright, let's go. Let's go. Alright guys, here we go. Here we go. He's gonna jump off the curb.
We're having technical difficulties. I'll jump off of it now.
Oh gosh.
You're not gonna jump off the curb? No?
He has to redo it. Yeah, that was sick. He's gone. Here they come. They're gonna do a race. This is bad. Oh. Gas one. Oh my god. There he goes. And we got the electric scooter. Oh my god, bro, he's doing a burnout. I don't even know if that's called a burnout, dude.
I don't do an engine swap on that.
An engine swap. Here he comes. Alright guys, we can't think of anything else to do, so we might end the video.
Anything else to do? You see that one?
Sure.
I'll go.
He's right here. Trying to do a freaking burnout. Whoa. That was crazy.
Do it. Gotta keep doing that. Come on.
Dude, the engine's gonna blow. It's the game. Yo. You broke it. Okay. He's gone. He's gone. Actually gone. He's gone. Alright guys, I might end the video here.
Burnout with the scooter.
Oh, he's gonna do a burnout with the scooter real quick. Here you go. Come on. It's not going. Gotta get that thing rolling here.
Wait, is the
He can't do a burnout. And no work.
is the power on the front brake?
Here,
I
make
think
it
it's on the front
spin.
brake. It's on the front brake.
Oh, it's on the front wheel.
Oh, that means you gotta go. Alright, let's go.
Ready? Yeah, it's on the front.
There we go. Burnout! Oh yeah.
Starts even smoke.
Oh my god, guys. He is crazy. What is he doing? Guys, we're gonna end the video here. See you on the next one.